Did you know that you can reduce your iron deficiency anemia by eating more iron-rich foods? According to the Mayo Clinic, iron deficiency anemia is a common type of anemia, a condition in which blood lacks adequate healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the body's tissues. As a result, iron deficiency anemia may leave you tired and short of breath. Some foods rich in iron include red meat, pork, poultry, seafood, dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, dried fruit, and peas. If you are feeling tired and sluggish, ask your doctor about your iron levels and if you need additional supplementation.